If your Vizio TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, don't worry. I've got some simple solutions to help you get back online. First, make sure your Wi-Fi network is working. Grab another device like your phone or tablet and see if it connects to the network. If that device connects fine, the issue is likely with your Vizio TV. Next, try a power reset. Unplug both your TV and router from the power outlet. Wait for about 1 minute, then plug them back in. Let the router fully restart. This takes about a minute. Once everything's back up and running, try reconnecting your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi. If that doesn't do the trick, move on to the next solution. This one's a bit techy, but don't worry, it's easy. Go to your TV settings, then network, then manual setup. Look for DHCP and make sure it's set to on. If it's already on, turn it off and back on again. Then, unplug your TV for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and try connecting to Wi-Fi. This trick can work wonders. If that still doesn't work, check your router's distance from the TV. If the router is too far away, the Wi-Fi signal might be weak. Try moving the router closer to your TV. Alternatively, if you have the option, you can directly connect your TV to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Next, check the Wi-Fi password. If you've forgotten it, you can find it on the back or bottom of your router. The Wi-Fi name and password should be labeled there. Once you've confirmed them, try entering the password again on your TV. If nothing else has worked, go for the final solution, a factory reset. Head to Settings, then All Settings, and select Admin and Privacy. From there, choose Reset to Factory Settings. Keep in mind, this will erase everything on your TV, so make sure you're ready to set it up again. Once the reset is complete, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Still having trouble? If your Wi-Fi network is fine, but the TV won't connect, or if other devices are having trouble connecting to the network too, it's time to contact your internet service provider. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.